Your masterpiece is finally finished on screen, but the final, crucial step is downloading it correctly so it looks flawless in the real world. Hey designers! We are reaching the finish line of the poster creation process, exporting your work for maximum quality. Canva offers several download formats, and picking the wrong one can result in blurry images or pixelated text. If you are planning to share your flyer digitally on WhatsApp, email, Instagram, or your website, click the Share button, select Download, and choose the PNG format. This ensures your colors look vibrant on digital screens while keeping the file size manageable. However,